So just as we jumpstart job creation, we must also ensure that markets are stable, credit is flowing, and families can stay in their homes. We must stem the spread of foreclosures and do everything we can to help responsible homeowners stay in their homes. That will require stemming the spread of foreclosures and falling home values, and doing all we can to help responsible homeowners stay in their homes, which is exactly what the housing plan I announced last week will help us do. We took steps to restart lending to families and businesses, stabilize our major financial institutions, and help homeowners stay in their homes and pay their mortgages. We also unprecedented action to stem the spread of foreclosures by helping responsible homeowners stay in their homes and pay their mortgages. We helped revive, and I won't let up until those who seek jobs can find them, until businesses that seek capital and credit can thrive, and until all responsible homeowners can stay in their homes. And because the most important factor in a child's success is the person standing in the front of the classroom, we will better prepare teachers, support teachers, and encourage teachers to stay in the field. They stay in our hotels, eat at our restaurants, and see all the sights America has to offer. Let's make it easier for students to stay in college. That's why my administration teamed up with state attorneys general to investigate the terrible way many homeowners were treated and secured a settlement from the nation's biggest banks, banks that were bailed out with taxpayer dollars to help families stay in their homes. And since I took office, my administration's taken action to help millions of families stay in their homes. We stay in their homes, or to help them refinance to take advantage of historically low rates. And our deficits, well, they're shrinking at the fastest rate, help more responsible families modify their mortgages so they can stay in their homes. But to keep our housing market and our economy growing, it's called Let Girls Learn. And its goal is to help more girls around the world go to school and stay in school. And a growing body of research suggests that the longer people stay in jail, the more likely they are to commit another crime once they get out.
This is hard to do because the housing prices have gone down so far that some people, they're just unfortunately not going to be able to stay in their home. They bought too much home, given their incomes. But
first is a solar energy technologies program that will help replicate the success of the Nellis Project in cities and states across America. Because in this case, what happens in Vegas should not stay in Vegas. This is a family's ability to pay their bills or stay in their homes. This is
enough. My question is, how do we keep lifting up the stories of the kid who's not in trouble?
Right.
Who goes past the drug dealers, who decides to stay in school, as opposed to we spend so much emphasis on what's not working. How do we?
Vast majority stay in college and earn their degrees. Admission. At the same time, we took needed steps to keep the banking system from collapsing, to get credit flowing again, and to help responsible homeowners hurt by falling home prices to stay in their homes. We took unprecedented action to stem the spread of foreclosures by helping responsible homeowners stay in their homes and pay their mortgages.
that is a legitimate, it's a fair concern, especially if the public option was being subsidized by taxpayers, right? I mean, if they could just keep on losing money and still stay in business, after a while, they would run everybody else out. And that's why
I will not let up until those Americans who are looking for jobs can find them, until qualified businesses, large and small, who need capital to grow can find loans at a rate they can afford, and until all responsible mortgage holders can stay in their homes. We've enacted measures to stem the crisis in our housing market, to help responsible homeowners stay in their homes and curb the decline of home values overall. Who joined us in stopping tobacco companies from targeting kids, expanding opportunities for young people to serve our country, and helping responsible homeowners stay in their homes. So we have a track record of working together. It is possible.
what government can do is to help responsible homeowners to stay in their homes.
Contact through meetings, telephone calls, and letters. The two sides believe that the expansion